Hi, I am Ketki, a health coach and healthy cooking enthusiast. For this festive season, presenting some guilt-free sweet treats. Today I am making almond and coconut based, no fat, low sugar, 3 types of laddoos. The first one is coconut chocolate laddoos. To begin with, melt a small piece of chocolate as shown here, then add some roasted nuts of your choice to it and refrigerate it. This could be a fun activity to get your kids involved in. Next, let's make the base of the Coco Choco laddoos. In one thick bottom vessel, take a cup of shredded coconut and 1/4 cup of date paste. While mixing them, saute on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Keep sauteing on low heat till the jaggery melts. Then add almond flour or powdered almond to the mixture and mix it well. After 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing on low heat, you can see now it does not stick to the vessel. In the end, we will add some cacao powder, mix it well and refrigerate it before forming the laddoos. So here we are. Our first laddoo base is ready. Next, we are making Kesari coconut laddoos. Kesar means saffron. Start with, take 1 cup of shredded coconut and 1/4 cup of date paste. Mix them well while sauteing on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Saute this mixture till the jaggery melts. Then add almond flour or powdered almonds. Mix everything well, then add broken cashews, powdered cardamom, nutmeg powder. In the end, mix everything well and add saffron paste. To make the paste, soak the saffron in lukewarm water for about 10 minutes, then crush it in mortar and pestle. Saute this on low heat till it is no more sticking to the vessel. Now our Kesari coconut laddoo base is ready. Next we are making Rosy coconut laddoos. To start, we will need shredded coconut and date paste. Mix them well while sauteing on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add shredded beetroot. Saute the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes or till the raw flavor of the beetroot is gone. Then add dried rose petals and gulkand. Gulkand is made with rose petals and sugar. You may get gulkand in any Indian store. Mix all of these ingredients well, then add almond flour. Saute this well on medium heat, then add broken cashews and mix everything well till it is no more sticking to the vessel. Now let's get ready to roll the laddoos. These are the chocolate coated hazelnuts which we are going to place in the center of the Coco Choco laddoos, like shown here. In all 3 recipes we did not need as much sugar because we added dates, which has lot of sugars, but at the same time it is also loaded with lots of fibers, so it is better option to substitute sugar. Now you may serve the laddoos as they are or dust them with the almond flour so that they will not stick to each other. Serve these flavorful, no fat, low sugar sweet delights for any occasion. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.